Hello, 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 and either welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video. We're doing a haul video of stuff from Amazon and stuff from Shein, but this isn't a usual haul video because everything in this video will be for a giveaway I'm doing. This is my giveaway for 500 subscribers. I had originally done a video saying like, these were things I was going to put in the giveaway, and they were all gently used stuff. And then I thought it through and I decided I didn't like that. I'm not going to give you guys gently used stuff. I went out and purchased brand new stuff for today's giveaway. I am going to open the things up to show that you know, the viewers what's in the giveaway. I'm going to put gloves on so you guys can know that, like, you know, it's just not been, it was just handled with some respect. But I want to do another video when I get to 1,000 subscribers. So please, please, please subscribe to my channel. So that way you can be in the giveaway, but also subscribing to the channel just helps me. So if you don't want the giveaway, but you want to help me, I'd appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel. So my gloves are on. Let's go over the giveaway rules, really. Actually, I'm going to do the rules towards the end to kind of keep you engaged so you know what the rules are. I'm going to put that over there. So the first thing I'll do is the Amazon stuff, just because I feel like the Shein stuff is going to be fun to the end. So yeah, there's Amazon and Shein stuff. So this right here is a nail dehydrator and primer set. My thoughts going into this giveaway was that I wanted it to almost be like a starter kit for someone who's never done nails before. So I wanted to get you everything from top to bottom that you would need. And so, and I decided to get stuff that were like really like, you know, common for newbies to use, because I figured there'd be a lot of like videos on them. So here is the nail dehydrator and primer. These had great reviews. I'm a gel person, so basically, you know, after you do all your nail prep, you will use the dehydrator to get all the oil off, and then you'll use primer to kind of make your nail ready for gel adhesion. You'd still use a base gel though. So that is going to be one thing in this giveaway. Let me put this to the side for a minute. Sorry. I'm trying to just put it all back in the way I found it. What's this? Ooh. Okay. So, ooh, look at these shards. Look at these fun glitters. I love encapsulating these, so I think that whoever wins this, you'll have some fun with these to go in for some nail art. I do not remember buying these brushes, but I guess it came with all these glitters. Let me see if I can, I don't want to open this because glitter will just get everywhere, because that's what glitter does. Let's see if I can flip these over. But yeah, I wanted to give like a good amount of like nail art as well as nail supplies. So look at these glitters. How much fun. I also wanted it to be more of like a spring vibe. These are kind of all seasons, I feel like, for glitters, but they're fun, huh? So there's 12 glitters in this set, plus these, so like lots of fun. And I didn't realize this came with it, but hey, you got a little bonus of some nail art brushes. Not too shabby. All right. Let's get the next package over here. What do we got? Okay. Rhinestone nail glue. I actually have used this and I really like it. I'm not going to open it. It's sealed. But this is the McCart Rhinestone nail glue. So that way you can, when you see some of the other stuff in the Shein part of the haul, you can actually adhere some rhinestones. Ooh, okay. And so this is actually plastic sealed. I'm not going to open this all the way up. But this is the Beetle starter kit that like is all over YouTube. Let's see if it says what's in here. Package includes the nail glue, a nail lamp with the USB, application guide, and the nail tips. So this is everything you need to do nail tips, nail extensions. So this will be a fun little way to get you started and get you going. So like between this Model 1's prep and this, your nail should be hopefully staying on, depending on prep and all that jazz and how all that goes for you. Okay, the next one is a box. I'm going to need to get out my handy dandy opener. Woo! I think there's only one thing in this box, and I know I'm excited for this part of the haul. This is 24 gel polishes, and they're all like these really pretty spring colors that will be really nice. And there's a base and top coat in this too. It's from Macart. Macart were some of my earlier gels, and I did really like them and appreciate their quality. But just to show you, these are the colors in this kit. So it's very much a spring vibe. Again, this is sealed, so I don't want to open it on you. Yeah, so these are the 24 colors. Let's see if I can show you other pictures of this nail set. Ooh, yeah, we're doing like a screen inside of the screen. Okay, so that's as technologically savvy as I'm going to get with you. But this is a great little set of, I think it's 24 colors. Maybe it's 22 colors plus the base and top coat. I don't really remember. But it's a good amount to get you going with spring nails. Okay, so now I'm going to do the first thing that came in the Shein haul. The Shein stuff came in 2 separate packages. So I had bought these thinking whoever wins, if they're like brand new to nails, they might want some nice long liners, but I guess you're going to have a lot of liners because there's also liners in this. So this will help you just get really going with doing some nail art as well. And now for the good stuff, right? Everyone loves a Shein haul, right? I love a Shein haul, so I'm assuming everyone loves a Shein haul. So let's move all this to the side and start pulling things out. Okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this little container. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. That just will hold some fun nail charms. So there's some ways of being organized for you. Ooh, yeah, I got you some swatch sticks. So that way you can swatch your nail polishes and see what you have, right? I was really wanting this to be like for brand new people to the nail world. But hey, if you have some experience, I'm sure you'll still want some swatch sticks. Oh yeah, this is some pretty spring stickers. There's 2 stickers in here. I'm not going to open them up, but like I just feel like this will be so pretty for spring. A lot of the stuff I got is very spring vibes, like I said. And I just thought this would be great to go with the colors of the Macart gel polish kit. Oh, these are so cute. I kind of am super jealous because I don't have ones like this. They have glitter on top of the flower. So it's like super sparkly. I dig these. These were like super popular last year. I think that they'll be popular again this spring. And they're so cute. I hope you guys can see like the glitter on these. These are really cute. Just like, oh, so cute for spring vibes. This is, obviously it's a brush. I can't remember what type of brush this is. If it's just a, I think this is a regular gel application brush if you want to do like builder gels. I'm pretty sure it's just a regular gel builder application brush. So that way, you know, you'll have everything you need. These fun dental bibs that are just, I love these. They're just, I feel like they're an essential for doing my nails. And so I figured that, you know, this could be a nice little addition to a nail kit for a beginner. Yeah, so that's basically what was the theme of this, a beginner's nail kit. Ooh, yeah. And so I got some nice AB charms. I went with AB because I feel like they're classic. It was, you know, the classics are either crystal or AB, but I thought the AB would be really nice for spring. So that's why I went with AB. So, and that's going to go well with this Macart glue. All right. Ooh, look at these butterfly charms. So cute for spring. Let me get that going the right way. They have a slight curve to them. They're not crazy big. Oh, these are really cute. Oh, whoever wins, please like take pictures of your nail art and like send it to me. I can't wait to see what you do with all this. Oh, here's another pack of stickers. I don't know how many there are in this. There's several. There's several sheets. They're all butterflies, and so they're really cute for spring. So I got like butterflies and flowers mostly to get you going. Oh, look at these charms. These are super cute. They're really like thin, and they curve to your nail. So they just give you like a little vibe of a flower. So cute. These are really petite. They're very cute. Oh, and these are very fun. These are hearts and butterflies that are like pink glowy. Cute. And what are these? More no, these aren't butterfly charms. These are, they're kind of like cherries, but with hearts. You know that cherry look that's kind of popular? But bows with a heart dangle. These are so cute. These are very sweet looking. Ooh, I forgot I got these. I love chains, but I wanted to get some bright colored ones for spring and summer nail art. These are more bright than pastel, so these will be great for summer. But I suppose you could still use them for spring. They're just fun little additions to your nail art collection. Oh, I'm going to open this because you can't see it over the sticker. What's in here? Ooh, these pretty, pretty bows that have like this pretty iridescence on them. These are really cute as well for spring. Oh, so, so cute. What do we got here? Oh, like a little mix of flowers and butterflies. Again, part of the spring theme. They're like pastel purple. Okay, so I'm not going to open these up because I think you can kind of see that they're caviar beads. So, you know, what kind of a beginner nail kit is it without some caviar beads? So gold and silver. Fun, fun, fun. If you've seen my prior hauls, you know that I am obsessed with these kind of like iridescent-y AB color shifting charms. Depending on the background, changes the color of the charm. So like that's it with a white background, and then that's it with a black background. It's really, they're really gorgeous. I love these. I actually really love this color shift too. Oh, these are just like classic, awesome charms in the Shein world. I just figured that maybe you just want like, you know, a little bling on your nail and it not need to be spring related. I've bought these for myself before and I really enjoyed them. So I wanted to kind of share that enjoyment with others. Oh, okay. Some good old-fashioned dotting tools. As a beginner in the nail art world, dotting tools have been super, super helpful to me. Like, I'm surprised by how much art you can do with some dotting tools. So, put that in there. And then we got some metallic foils, just to give you a little razzle-dazzle shine to whatever set you're doing. So, that is my haul / giveaway. Please let me know what your thoughts are on it. And now let's talk about the rules if you want to enter the giveaway. What are the rules? Okay, so rule number 1, you must be in the US. I can't ship outside the US. Rule number 2, you have to follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Rule number 3, comment below what your IG handle is. That way I can double check that you really have followed me on both YouTube and Instagram. And rule number 4 is that this is going to close in 4 days from today. So today, this video will be uploaded on February 16th. So this video will be closed, I'll say probably 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, February 20th. And I will try to do a video announcing the winner on the 21st. I will try my best. So that's the giveaway rules. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for the support. Yay, 500 subscribers. And if you think this was great, wait till you see till I get to 1,000. Talk soon. Bye.